You ready for this?
Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I am going to be giving you guys a tutorial on how to make my intro. So this only works on like a computer, no mobile devices. So once you're on your computer, you can just type in Panzoid down here at the bottom, and then it'll bring you to here. So it'll bring you to like here. So what you can do is you can find whichever whichever one you want. I am just going to be using my original one. That's not my original one. No. 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 Okay, here we go. So this is my original one that I used. So it starts off with this.
A jolt and then you'll die.
Okay? So that's how it starts off. So then if you want to do, you can go to basics and then you can do length, like in seconds. I don't want to change the seconds because that's good. Then if you go to audio plus music, then you can change the audio file. So like you can select a file. Um, what I'm going to be using is Brass Original Music, aka the song that LIA used in his intro. So open, then I don't want it like this. So I don't want it from the start. I want it like 47 seconds in. So you can change it from here. Then you can no. What am I doing? Okay, so then you can press enter. Then as you can see, um it probably changed a lot. So like
Are you ready for this?
so it changed a lot. So now you can go to like the objects. I don't want to mess wait. I don't okay. I don't want to mess with any of this stuff because I don't know what it is. So if you scroll down a little bit, you can no. No. I do not want that object. So you can what am I doing? So you can go if you scroll down a lot, then you can go to text. Wait, yeah, text. Wait, I remember there being two. Yeah, there's wait. Um, okay, add object, text. No. Um, wait, no. So text, yeah, that's good. But the quip maker one is not good. So, I don't know what to do. This. So maybe wait. Oh, it's down here. So text, no. So wait.
Are you ready for this?
No, it doesn't ruin it. So I can do text, then I can do CYBERWOLFZ. You have to type in your YouTube channel name. So, for example, my friend Maitland, his channel name is Spike Plays. So, Maitland, you would type in Spike Plays. So once you got that all done and you think that you're done, so then you can go to start video render. Then it can like I don't want to do that, but I'll cancel render. But if you're happy with yours, then you can do start video render. So that is basically it. So